Hi there, and welcome back to ESL Easy English, the podcast that helps you learn English the easy way, one conversation at a time. I'm your host, James, and today we're going to talk about one of the most common tenses in English, the past simple tense. This tense is perfect for talking about what happened yesterday, last week, last year, or even just 1 hour ago. If you want to tell a story, explain your weekend, or describe something you did, this is the tense you'll need. Before we get started, I would like to mention that there is a free multiple-page PDF link in the description below of a detailed lesson on past simple tense. All we ask is that you like, share, and subscribe, as this really helps the channel grow and helps us keep producing these videos for you. There will be a series of videos on all the tenses and comparisons of tenses to follow, so also hit the bell icon to keep you updated. So grab your coffee, get comfortable, and let's start learning together. Okay, so what is the past simple tense? It's a tense we use to talk about actions that are finished, in the past, not connected to now. For example, I watched a movie last night. She visited her parents last weekend. They walked to school yesterday. These actions are done. They happened and they're over. We're not connecting them to the present. We're just saying what happened. Let's start with how to form the past simple tense. Most verbs in English are regular, and that means they follow a simple rule. Just add ed to the verb. Let's look at some examples. I play, I played. They work, they worked. She visit, she visited. Easy, right? Let's try a few together. He listens to music. He listened to music. We clean the house. We cleaned the house. I cook dinner. I cooked dinner. Now, be careful. Spelling sometimes changes. If the verb ends in E, just add D. Love, loved. Dance, danced. If it ends in consonant plus Y, change the Y to I and add ed. Study, studied. Cry, cried. But if it ends in a vowel plus Y, just add ed. Play, played. Enjoy, enjoyed. Now let's talk about irregular verbs. These are verbs that don't follow the ed rule. For example, go becomes went, eat becomes ate, have becomes had, see becomes saw, buy becomes bought. There's no rule for these, you just have to memorize them, but don't worry, you'll see them often. Let's try a few together. I go to school. I went to school. She eats pizza. She ate pizza. They have a dog. They had a dog. We see the movie. We saw the movie. You buy bread. You bought bread. Now, how do we ask questions or make negative sentences? We use the helping verb did. For questions, did plus subject plus base verb. Did you watch TV? Did she go to work? Did they enjoy the party? For negatives, subject plus didn't plus base verb. I didn't watch TV. He didn't go to work. They didn't enjoy the party. Important. The verb goes back to the base form. No ed and no past tense. Wrong. Did you went? Right. Did you go? Wrong. She didn't watched. Right. She didn't watch. So when do we use the past simple? Here are 5 common situations. 1. Completed actions in the past. I visited my grandmother last Sunday. They watched a movie last night. 2. A series of actions. He got up, took a shower, and left the house. 3. Past habits with time words. We always played outside when we were kids. 4. Specific pastimes. I met her in 2020. She came here yesterday. 5. Stories or past experiences. Last year I traveled to Spain. I stayed in a small town and learned to cook paella. The past simple often uses time expressions. These give you a clue that the action happened in the past. Some common ones are yesterday, last night, last week, last year. In 1990, in June, 2 days ago, a few minutes ago, when I was a child, earlier today. Examples: I called you yesterday. She left 5 minutes ago. We visited Paris in 2018. Okay, it's practice time. I'll say a sentence and then I'll leave a pause for you to repeat after me. Number 1. I watched a movie last night. Number 2. She didn't go to school yesterday. Number 3. Did you eat breakfast this morning? Number 4. We played football at the park. Number 5. They didn't like the food. Now let's try some yes-no questions. Answer out loud. Try to say, yes, I did, or no, I didn't. Did you study English yesterday? Did your friend call you? Did she travel last summer? Did they come to the party? Let's go over some common mistakes with the past simple tense. Mistake number 1, using the past form after did. Wrong. Did you went to the store? Right. Did you go to the store? Mistake number 2, forgetting to change irregular verbs. Wrong. I eat breakfast yesterday. Right. I ate breakfast yesterday. Mistake number 3, adding ed to irregular verbs. Wrong. He goed home. Right. He went home. Don't worry. Everyone makes these mistakes. The more you practice, the easier it gets. All right, let's review what we learned today. Use the past simple to talk about actions in the past. Most verbs just add ed. Irregular verbs change completely, and learn them over time. Use did for questions and didn't for negatives. Always use the base verb after did or didn't. Watch for common time words like yesterday, last week, and ago. You're doing an amazing job. Keep going and review the examples often. Want to practice more? Check the description for a free PDF worksheet with past simple tense explained in detail. Thanks for listening to ESL Easy English. If you like this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's learning English. We will be doing a series on all the tenses, so don't forget to hit the bell icon to keep you updated. And always remember, mistakes mean you're learning. Keep speaking, keep trying, and don't give up. I'm James, and I'll see you in the next lesson.